If you're exhausted after your 9 to 5 job and the thought of a high-intensity side hustle makes you want to crawl into bed, you're not alone. The good news? You don't need to sacrifice your mental health or free time to earn extra income. There are plenty of low-energy side hustles that let you make money on your own terms without burning out. There are plenty of low-energy side hustles that let you make money on your own terms. The good news is these ideas actually work for busy professionals. And if you're looking for realistic ways to boost your income without the grind, stick around. We're breaking down 8 incredible ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more practical money tips that fit your lifestyle. First up, freelance writing and content creation. This one's perfect because you can work whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media captions, or drafting email newsletters for small businesses, the work is flexible and doesn't demand physical energy. You set your own schedule, so you can write during your lunch break, on weekends, or even late at night when you're feeling creative. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contently connect you with clients who need quality content. The beautiful part is that the more you write, the better you get, and the more you can charge. Your writing skills become an asset that keeps earning you money. Second, virtual tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in any subject, whether it's math, languages, music, or even professional skills like coding or project management, you can tutor students online. Sessions are typically 1 hour or less, and you schedule them around your availability. You're not commuting anywhere, you're sitting comfortably at home, and students pay up front. Platforms like Chegg, Preply, and VIP Kid make this incredibly accessible. The energy required is mental, not physical. And once you've taught a concept a few times, you develop a rhythm that makes each session easier. Third, online courses and digital products. This is one of the best passive income opportunities if you're willing to invest a little upfront energy. Create a course teaching something you know well, whether it's photography, business strategy, fitness, or personal development, and sell it on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Once the course is recorded and uploaded, it sells while you sleep. You answer the occasional student question, but the bulk of the work happens once, at the beginning. It's truly the definition of working smart, not hard. Fourth, freelance graphic design or virtual assistant work. If you have design skills, websites like 99 Designs and Design Crowd let you bid on projects and work at your own pace. For those without design skills, virtual assistant work is equally valuable. Business owners desperately need help with email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer service. All of these tasks can be done from your laptop during your downtime. It's low stress and doesn't require specialized technical knowledge. Fifth, affiliate marketing and blog monetization. If you enjoy writing or creating content anyway, you might as well earn from it. Start a blog or YouTube channel about topics you're passionate about, and monetize through affiliate links and ads. This takes time to build, but once you have an audience, the income becomes increasingly passive. You're not trading hours for money. You're building an asset. Sixth, proofreading and editing services. Companies constantly need someone to review their content for typos, grammar, and clarity. If you have a keen eye for detail and strong English skills, this is perfect for you. Services like Caitlin Pyle's Proofread Anywhere teach you exactly what to do, and the work is straightforward and relaxing. It's especially ideal if you enjoy helping others improve their writing without the emotional labor of teaching. Seventh, transcription work. If you're comfortable typing and listening carefully, transcription is straightforward money. Companies need audio files, podcasts, interviews, medical records converted to text. You work independently, set your own hours, and the pay is consistent. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe hire remote workers and pay per completed audio file. It's repetitive, yes, but in a meditative way that many people actually find calming. Finally, eighth, selling stock photos, templates, or digital art. If you have a camera, design skills, or artistic talent, you can upload your work to stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy. Every download or purchase earns you a small royalty. Again, the work happens once, and the product sells repeatedly. It's perfect for creative people who want passive income without constantly chasing new clients. The common cred here? All of these side hustles let you work flexibly, often from home, without demanding the same physical and emotional energy your day job requires. You're not building a second full-time job. You're creating a small income stream that respects your need for balance and rest. Start with whichever option aligns with your skills and interests. You might find that a low-energy side hustle is not just easier on you. A low-energy side hustle is actually more sustainable and profitable in the long run. If you found this helpful, please like the video so more people can discover these ideas. This will really help us grow the channel. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 8 side hustles appeals to you most, and why? Are you already doing one of these, or is there a skill you've been thinking about monetizing? Let me know below, and thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more practical ways to earn and manage your money without sacrificing your well-being. Every week, we share new ideas tailored for people just like you who want financial growth without burnout. These are realistic, achievable side hustles that genuinely work. Whether you choose writing, tutoring, courses, design, affiliate marketing, proofreading, transcription, or digital products, you're starting a journey toward extra income. The key is picking something that energizes rather than drains you. Your skills are valuable, and these side hustles can grow into something bigger. And there are real markets waiting for what you can offer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, even if it's just small. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video with even more practical, money-making strategies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build wealth together, sustainably and smartly.